Hey guys, what's so welcome to another video of the Techline. So guys, how are you guys doing? I hope so you're doing well. I hope so you're having an amazing day. I hope so you all enjoying the videos from the Techline. So guys, today we are not going to review anything yet, but today we got a new package. Yeah, look at what we got today. We have a Huawei Y7 Prime. So yeah, we are going to unbox it today right now, and we are going to explore this smartphone right now. So yeah guys, we're gonna do unbox it right now. So yeah, it has a very legit packing right now, and which are red color, which is my favorite one. So yeah, we're going to unbox. So but let's check out what's it's on the outside. So yeah, it has a 5.5 LCD, which is LED, and it has a 4000 mAh battery, which looks it's a very beast battery. And what it has also a fingerprint, which is very good nowadays. Fingerprint which is very helpful to secure your data, and it has a 12 megapixel of the back camera and the 8 megapixel of the front camera. So yeah, it looks a very good smartphone. So yeah, let's unbox it right now. So yeah, it's a very amazing. So yeah, let's check this mobile out. So yeah, look at this, it's a very Huawei Y7 Prime. So yeah, it looks a very slim. Look at this too. I hope so you can see this. It's a very slim, and yeah, it's a very lightweight mobile. So yeah, you can handle it anywhere and easily and very easy. So yeah, let's switch on this smartphone. So yeah, look at this. It's a Huawei logo. So yeah, it's going to be start right now, and yeah. So guys, this smartphone is now ready to use. So yeah, we're gonna explore it right now, and we're gonna talk about its ROM, RAM, battery timing, and everything that this smartphone has now. So yeah, we're going straight away. We're going to in the about phone section, and yeah, we're going to talk about it. So guys, it has an Android version 7.0. So yeah, which is, I think it's the latest one right now in the smartphone, Android smartphone. So now we're going to talk about its CPU. So it has a Snapdragon 435, which is a very good CPU right now in the market. So yeah, what is the phone storage? The phone storage, it has a 32 GB phone storage, which is amazing, and it is the latest that Huawei just upgraded in the storage, upgraded itself in the storage of the 32 GB in the smartphone. And what is its RAM? It has a 3 GB of the RAM, so it is the very fastest RAM in the Huawei in this Y7 Prime. And one new feature that the Huawei showed this world in this smartphone, that you can take your pictures while on this using this fingerprint. So yeah, you can take your photos while using your fingerprint, and yeah, that looks very amazing, and I haven't seen any feature like this in any other phone. So yeah, that looks so amazing feature in the Huawei Y7 Prime. So guys, if we talk, we are going to talk about its camera right now. So yeah, let's move to the camera section. So yeah, first we're gonna take its the front camera. So yeah, that looks so amazing. Trust me, it has a very great wide angle selfie screen. So yeah, I'm gonna take a selfie right now because I love to take selfies with a very great smartphone. So yeah. So yeah, that was just for fun guys. So I hope so yeah, let's move it to the back camera. So guys, if we talk about it's a back camera, so yeah, it is a 12 megapixel back camera, and the front camera, it has a 8 megapixel with a great selfie mode, which is so amazing guys. And the best thing in this smartphone, in this camera smartphone, which is that if you smile on the camera while taking a selfie, it automatically takes your picture. So that's a very good, and the one thing that it has a very fast focusing mode. So if you just click on your screen, it automatically takes a picture with a very fast focus and a great image quality. So that's the camera of the Huawei Y7 Prime, which is so amazing. It really attracts me a lot. So yeah, let's move on to the next section that this smartphone has. So yeah, first we talk about it's on the headset. It has a headset port on its top, and the two speakers on its back, and the charging port. So yeah, that looks so amazing. It has a very great audio quality. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the audio of this smartphone. So guys, right now I'm gonna play one of my favorite songs to show you the audio quality of this smartphone. So yeah, let's check out this smartphone audio. So yeah, that's one of my favorite songs. I hope one of you also love this one. So yeah, it's a very good quality. Yeah, trust me. Yeah, so yeah, that was a very great. So yeah, that's a very great quality, audio quality. I hope so I hope so you enjoyed this audio as well as my favorite song. So yeah, let's move on to the next section. I'm gonna show you about it's the notification bar. So yeah, look at this guys, there's a lot of options there, and yeah, you can down it and down up there, then more notifications. I don't know what to say about this. So yeah, there's a location locator as well as there was torch, and it's also had a hotspot mode, and you can take a screenshot while just push that button, that one. So yeah, I hope so you can see that. So yeah, the one more thing that this notification bar also have, and the Huawei just introduced to this market, that it has a Huawei share. I hope so you guys can see that the Huawei share, it is I don't know what is it is a built-in device that you can share your things, your files, your songs, your videos with to the another Huawei device so quickly. Like the iPhone, you can just send files to the iPhone to iPhone. So yeah, you can share your files by Huawei to Huawei very quickly. So guys, right now I found another thing which is Huawei introduced in this Y7 Prime. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. You can see this Huawei have this standard menu side. So yeah, I'm gonna show you Huawei introduced this new and amazing feature that you can change this menu, standard menu, to another menu. So yeah, I'm gonna show you right now guys. So yeah, so yeah, there we go. So yeah, I hope you can see that there is a standard mode app, the option. So yeah, I'm gonna select this one, and yeah, let's see this now. The menu is going to be changed. So yeah, I hope so you can see this now. There's a menu button. You can go to the menu and yeah, to the apps, to the app. So yeah, that's the all we know about it yet, about the Y7 Prime. If you know anything about it, so let me know about in the comment section right now. So yeah, that's all we know about this smartphone. So yeah, let's talk about its box. What you will get in this box. So yeah, we're gonna again open this door. Yeah, it's open. So yeah, look at this. There is it's a dual SIM mobile. So yeah, you have this pin to open the slot to put in your SIMs. So guys, you also get a manual to operate your this smartphone Huawei Y7 Prime. So also what we got there a charger as well as its, I don't know what it's called, adapter, as well as the charger cable and the hand-free and the built-in standard hand-free handsets you got in every mobile. So yeah, these two we got adapter as well as this a USB port for the charging cable. So yeah, that's we all got in this box of the smartphone Y7 Prime, Huawei Y7 Prime. So yeah, that's the video for today. I hope so you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you're watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and also turn on the notification on so you will be notified with the new videos, and we try to upload as many videos we can in a week. So yeah, also guys, don't forget to give the feedback about the video in the comment section guys. Your feedback is very important to improve on the next video. So yeah, don't forget to give the feedback. And if you guys wanted to buy this smartphone, that the Huawei Y7 Prime, a very lightweight smartphone and a very comfortable to have you in your pocket. So yeah, you can buy it right now. There is a link in description. You can buy it right now with an amazing price, affordable price. So yeah guys, that's the video for today. I will see you with another video. Till then, goodbye.